Yo, what's up? It's Philly254 Living Life. Right now, we're gonna get into this unboxing of the JLAB's Bluetooth Play Gaming Wireless Headset. Put that bad boy right there so you can see it. Put in frame. All right. Right off the top, we can look at the box. You can see on the bottom here, it says has quick mute. It does come with an aux cord for those who do not want that Bluetooth audio. Aux cord, wired in does sound better. And it does come with a retractable boom mic. We'll flip it over real quick. Take a look here. You can kind of see what comes in the box, little accessories and whatnot. So real quick, it does have low latency. So with the Bluetooth audio, so that way, sounds better. Everything sounds in sync, especially when you're gaming. This bad boy, I did forget to tell you real quick. It says, I guess from what they say, it's optimized for mobile gaming. But you can definitely use that aux mic to go with the Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and I'm pretty sure, PC gaming if you want to. All right, so real quick, well, it says everything like I just said. It has the aux cord and, Bluetooth and all that fun stuff. So what we're gonna do, let's get back into this bad boy. We're gonna use the old trusty Craftsman. Get it open. Let's see here, right there. Alright. In theory, it should just pop on open. There we go. Alright, let's turn this bad boy around. Let's pull her on out. There we go. There she blows. Anything else? Alright. Nothing else. Do that to the side. Alright, what we got here? We got looks like, basically what was on the back of the box. Quick walkthrough on how to use it or whatnot, but you know what I'm saying? We can read that. Tells you how to pair it to your phone, and how the functionality works on the actual headphones, and of course how to plug it in and charge it. So the charging cable does look like it's just regular USB, not USB Type-C, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But you get it how you live. All right. So it does come in this nice little case. Kind of a hard case too. You hear that? All right, let's chunk that bad boy to the side too. And got the old double zipper action going. All right, gonna open this thing up. Whoa. All right, so of course has the holder here. I hold everything. Well, not much, but and within here looks like we got our aux cord and our USB charging. Yeah, I was right. No USB Type-C, which again sucks. What else we got going here? All right, there goes our aux information. So from the headphones to whatever 3.5 jack that you got that you may need. And then of course there's a headset itself. So it does have a little folding design, as you can see. And then where's the old boom mic? There we go. There we go. Boom mic, just like so. Oh, yeah, you can move it around all you want to. Alright, and then if I remember correctly, I'm gonna grab this bad boy here. I'm gonna see if it says how much we gotta charge to really get some action going. I remember reading it was like 1 hour of charge will get you 20 minutes or something like that. But it's 22 hours worth, if I remember correctly. Yep, 22 plus hours of playtime. So you're gonna get some play out of this bad boy. I haven't been able to test it out myself yet, so I will do so. And when I do, I will give a full review on how well it works. I'm gonna do it on the mobile, by the way. So on a mobile game, I don't know, Dead by Daylight mobile or something, and I will be able to get a full review on that whenever I charge it up. So real quick, that was the unboxing. Subscribe and all that fun jazz. Click the bell or whatnot for more videos, and I am out.